been absolutely wonderful. It's great to be a part of the Neeru's family. I feel so comfortable. And I think what's most important is that they make me feel so comfortable. I love wearing their gorgeous clothes. And, we do such beautiful shoots. And I think each one has been better than the other. So I'm really hoping this time also the audience and everyone likes the pictures as much as we do. This is such a beautiful place, Faluknama. And it's great to be here in Hyderabad. And it's a stunning location with stunning clothes. So I think the location and the clothes, do justice to each other. It's a totally different collection this time by Neeru's, and Neeru's is promoting Made in India. And the pieces are absolutely exquisite. Not only are they doing saris and lehengas, but gowns too, in this exotic handloom, which is so unusual. And even today I wore this stunning gown, with Indian handloom work, which is something really unusual for someone to wear. So I'm sure everyone out there is going to really appreciate this. I think my style mantra is just being myself and wearing gorgeous clothes like what I'm wearing right now. It's so wonderful for me to see the growth of Neeru's, and I think it's thanks to the wonderful audience out there, and I think a wonderful teamwork of all of us. So it's very emotional for me to see the brand grow from strength to strength every year. And now Neeru's is going, pan-India and even abroad. And they're already in Dubai. So, they're going from strength to strength. So I think their customer base is very loyal. And, they keep coming back because the collections are so good. So keep coming back and buying clothes from Neeru's. Hi everyone, now you can shop Neeru's wonderful clothes 24/7 on www.neerus.com. And now Neeru's India is also on Facebook and YouTube.
Here we are today at yet another fantastic photo shoot of Neeru's at Hyderabad's pride, that is Taj Falaknuma Palace. It's been long pending that we wanted to do something at this fantastic palace here in Hyderabad, because today's collection is all about handloom. It's all about weaving. It's all about techniques of weaving, from weaving in lehengas to suits to saris to gowns. I think we have done it all, to dupattas, to many more. So I think we have quite a bit thought about doing a Make in India kind of a photo shoot this time, and I think we are quite successful also because adding to the charisma was Karisma herself. So we actually had a fantastic time shooting with Karishma Kapoor again, yet another time here in Hyderabad with Karishma at Falaknuma for this yet another amazing collection of weaving, majorly Banarasi saris, lehengas, suits, gowns, dupattas and much more. So I think we have a lot of credits to go for that, from our stylist Isha to photographer Avinash Govarikar, who has always been there with us, and the whole team of Neeru's and the whole camera and the back team. So I think we enjoyed this photo shoot a lot, and we look forward for many more fantastic photo shoots from Neeru's side. And as we always say, we always do a shoot that is much more higher on a glamour quotient. So I think we lived up to this expectation this time as well, and looking forward for many more glamorous photo shoots with Karishma and many more add-ons as surprises from the Neeru's team as brand ambassadors. And for our customers, this is the best collection that we could have ever come out for a handloom and weaving techniques. It's all about handloom this year, 2016, for the weddings. So I think we have done pretty much all of it. Thank you.